guys, it's me, Colleen, and I have some really exciting news for you today. I am now living in Vancouver, Canada. Vancouver has been such a wonderful second home for me last season and now this season. It's just been amazing. So I want to say thank you to Vancouver, and I want to put someone from Vancouver in my show, Haters Back Off, on Netflix. There's a role in the show where we need to know if you are able to do a Miranda impression. So if you want to be on the Netflix original series, Haters Back Off, please stay and listen to how you could potentially be on the show. And if not, just click on something else and move on with your day. Love ya. So here are the requirements if you want to potentially be on my show. Number 1, you have to live in Vancouver, Canada. 2, you have to be under 16 years old. 3, you have to send in your video within 1 week. You have to film yourself reading this script, you play the fan, and then do your best Miranda impression, talking and singing, and send it to this email. Our casting director will look through all of your videos and will pick one of you to be on the show. So do all of these steps and we're gonna pick one of you, and I'm so excited to have someone from Vancouver in my show. Love you guys, hope you have a great day, come on!